Hi, Reading Rangers. Today, we'll be reading David Goes to School by David Shannon. Hit like and subscribe to enjoy more stories like this. What does David's teacher say to David? David's teacher always said, "No, David. No yelling. No pushing. No running in the halls." Today, when David opened the door to his classroom, his teacher said, "David, you're tardy." His teacher asked David to come to the front of the class. David wanted to make the other students laugh and made a silly face. His teacher said, "Sit down, David." While the class was reading, David wanted to chew on sweet gum. He put a lot of pieces of gum into his mouth. The teacher saw David and said, "Don't chew gum in class." The teacher asked the class a question. David wanted to show he knew the answer and shouted it out loud. The teacher said, "David, raise your hand." When they were finger painting, David got green paint on his left hand and red paint on his right hand. He thought it would be funny to get paint onto other students. The teacher saw this and said, "Keep your hands to yourself." David looked outside the window and noticed that the clouds looked like a dinosaur and a face. The teacher noticed David losing focus and said, "Pay attention." During lunchtime, David was feeling hungry and saw the lunch lady serving his favorite, spaghetti. He walked towards the lunch lady instead of waiting in line. The other students didn't like David cutting the line.
Hey!
The teacher said, "Wait your turn, David." There was a food fight. The teacher was very upset. David said his classmate started it, and his classmate said David started it. The teacher said, "I don't care who started it. Both of you are wrong for throwing food at each other." After lunch, David had a lot of fun playing during recess. The recess bell rang, and the other children went back inside. David wanted to have a little more fun. The teacher saw David still outside and said, "David, recess is over." When the class was reading in the library, David thought about playing the drums. Holding a pencil in each hand, he started hitting his book. The other students didn't like all the noise David was making. David's teacher said, "Shh." All of a sudden, David realized he needed to use the washroom. He raised his hand for permission and his teacher said, "Again?" David lost focus and began drawing on his desk. He drew stars and a dog and a spaceship, and David's teacher saw him drawing on his desk and was very upset. "That's it, mister. You're staying after school." For drawing on his desk, he needed to help clean the classroom. David tried his best to clean everything. Every desk was sparkling clean. David's teacher was impressed and asked, "David, have you finished?" Seeing him work so hard, the teacher gave David a star and said, "Good job, David." The teacher also said, "Yes, David, you can go home now." The end. David is still trying to control his actions and emotions. It's important that we follow the rules at school. My favorite part was when David learns that breaking the rules at school is wrong and does his best to help clean the classroom. We all make mistakes. The most important thing is that we learn what is wrong and try to be better. Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories. And see you next time, Reading Rangers.